Y'all, the way I just ate when the camera turned off made no sense at all. Made no type of sense. Made no type of sense. Like, no etiquette. All right, y'all. I got me some fufu for dinner. Egusi Soup. Okra Soup. I got some peanut soup. I'm so greedy. Don't mind me. And then I got some, I don't know which one is which, but I did get 1 yam and 1 plantain. This looked like the plantain because it's like yellowish, and this is yam, most likely. I'm so hungry. Before I dig in, I'm about to go wash my hands really quick. Yeah, this is definitely the plantain because it smells just like plantains. All right. I love me some kalalu, so let's try the kalalu first. Oh, that's good. That's spicy. And please, before I move any further, I am going to chew my food. I know you're not supposed to chew it. I know I'm chewing it, okay? Please, don't even come for me, please. Let's just save it. I'm chewing. Thank you. Mm. Good. I honestly just want to grab a spoon. That is good. I want to try the peanut. I tried a Egusi before. I'm not sure I liked it. I got it from like in Connecticut. I got this from New York, and so far I'm loving the flavor. The one that let's try it first before I judge. Let's try the plantains. Oh, I like the plantain fufu better than the yams. The Egusi is not my favorite. I mean, it's good, but you have to have like you have to have like a tongue for that. Like I don't know, I can't explain it. But let's try the peanut soup. I didn't even hit this one. So, this is good. It don't really taste, it's called peanut soup, but it don't really taste like peanuts. It's good though. But my favorite, honestly, is the kalalu. hands down. That's good. Ooh. Y'all, the way I just ate when the camera turned off made no sense at all. Made no type of sense. Made no type of sense. Like, no etiquette. Let's grab a piece of meat. The chicken, I'm sorry, y'all. That is good. Oh my God. I'm gonna give these a try again, but the kalalu, so yeah, this is definitely goat in here. This is chicken. I'm not sure what this is yet. Tripe. Pig. Yeah. So chicken, goat, and pig. Dang, my taste buds is like all over the place. And it has a nice little kick to it, spice. Honestly, I'm about to grab a spoon. But I know y'all about to come for me if I do. It's because I can't grab it. So, the kalalu, the chicken with the chicken in it, 10 out of 10. The egusi, I'll give it a 5 out of 10. The peanut, 7 out of 10. The plantain fufu, I'll give it an 8. And then I think the yams, I'll give it a 7. Be right back. I gotta go eat. Thank you for watching.